guys, today we're going to carve a pumpkin. This will be the tools that we will be needing. A scoop, a Clorox, and like a knife. So I bought this at Target and during after the Halloween, so it will be much cheaper. And now I'm about to use it. Our next step is to cut the top. Makes the circular shape on the top and cut it. And make sure to cut it slant, because once you cut it like straight, it will eventually fall down. So make sure there is like a slant portion. So once you open it, it looked like this. See how thick the inside is? So we are going to make sure that we are going to scoop it 1 inch thick only, so it will be easier for us to carve it. Hi guys, so I chopped off the remaining piece inside. I used a knife to cut it because this is super thick. As earlier as you could see, there are things that are hanging around it. It looks like this. See how thick? I took it off. So I just used a knife, so be careful. Ask your mom to do it for you, because what I used is super thick pumpkin. The next one, I attach this thing to the boss stitch drill, so it will make my life easier. So ask your parents to guide you on using this one. You can start scooping now. Make sure that you have like a plastic bag, so your mess will go shoot right in front of the trash. Okay, so your child can help you do it, scoop it, and make sure that it's all gone.
But
okay, there are still some more, so we are just going to continue to scoop until there's nothing more inside. Oh, were you done already, Chloe? Let's see what's inside. Whoa, it's clean now. Great job, Chloe. Good job in scooping. Now I'm submerging the pumpkin into the water with a bleach. So I use this bleach and then just a little bit of it with the water too. And then I submerge it with water. So what I did is I filled it with water, whatever is on my bowl earlier. I pour it inside, so this one is with water and bleach because I don't have like a container that can hold this big pumpkin. I have a super big pumpkin, so if you have like a pail, you could use it. I am just going to scrub the outer portion, making it clean. Now I am going to let it dry. So I'm just wiping the outer part, and later on I'm going to wipe the inner part too, because tomorrow I have a competition to attend to. So I am doing this for tomorrow's event. So I'm preparing it. So hopefully it dries up fast. So she's just wiping off the inner part, because I'm going to submit that for tomorrow. So I'm trying to dry it up much faster, and she's just using a tissue from it. Okay, you see how clean it is. Now we select which stencil of the carving are we going to use. Last year I have used this one, and before that year this one, so I did it already. And then I have this Dory too. So this one I bought it at Target.
Mom, look! I want to do this one.
Oh, you want to do the rabbit?
Yeah.
So in here you will be seeing this. It comes with a picture that you could put into your pumpkin. So today I'm going to use
the carrots of Sophia.
I'm going to use Sophia. So I cut it from in there, and
Mom, look, the rabbit.
Yeah, the rabbit.
Sophia too.
Yeah.
Sophia.
And then we have chose to make this one. I already made this one like 3 years ago.
Look!
Look, it has magic.
And Sophia again. And her castle. I
Yeah.
love it.
So I just fill it out from that book. And this is how you do it. Now I'm about to put it on the pumpkin, and I need a tape for it so it will firm it. And I'm going to use this tape to tape the paper onto the pumpkin. Okay, so what I did is I used a tape to put in the picture of Sophia. So I put the tape on, and then I just lay it flat. It has wrinkles, but it's fine. And I just do it like that. So what I need to do is just to poke those things around it, making like a lot, like connect the dots thing that I will be doing. So I will be using this tool to make a dots on it. So I will poke it around it. It's like a connect the dots.
Okay.
And then
Where's
it will
the
be
dots?
easier for me to cut it.
Mom.
I got it in here free with the book. So it comes with here. So I usually use the poker thing to poke on it to make a lines on it. So it gives you the step on here too, and then the stencils that you could use to put into your pumpkin.
Which one? This one?
Yes, that one. So she's just following the dotted line. Right now she's making like a connected dots, and I told her to poke it just like that. Okay, she's now doing the hair.
Ah!
So this is what it looks like when you're done poking it. So I am almost done. So you see it clearly that there are dots. I just trace it in. It doesn't matter if it has wrinkles on it, because for as long as you put in the dotted lines. So when you remove the paper, this is what will it look like. It's like a connect the dots.
I like.
You
Whoa,
like
whoa,
it?
whoa.
Okay, so you see this one, the hair of Sophia, and the eyes and the nose.
Where's the nose here?
Yeah, that's the nose. And then we're going to carve it now. So I'm going to use the little knives that I got to carve this specific areas right here, because you see right here it's too little, too thin. Okay. I'm going to use this type to go to the edges where it is super thin, like the eyes, the nose, so it will be a perfect cut. So right now I'm using this small one whenever I am doing a detailed one. So I just go up and down and up and down for this one until I just go for the dots, and then I go up and down and follow the dotted lines. And then on the other side too, up and down, up and down. You have to continuously do it. Up and down, up and down. And then there you go. I'm using this one. This is the much bigger one when I'm doing the outside part, whenever it's not that detailed too much. So this is what it looks like. So guys, please be careful while doing it. I just go up and down, up and down, up and down, connecting those dots. Okay, I'm done carving now. So what we're going to do is wash it off with water and bleach, a little bit of bleach, so it will not get any mold faster.
Why you
So
put it inside the thing? Ew.
Which one? So you will be seeing what's inside are the leftovers. So I'm just going to throw it away, clean it up again, dry it up, and then tomorrow I'm going to put in petroleum jelly on it. We are putting a petroleum jelly on the edges so it will be having a lot of moist, and then I'm just using this petroleum jelly, so I'm just putting it in between those holes, and then if it's too little, so it will be easier for us to reach it. This is our finished product for the Sophia the First. Hi guys, this is the finished product for Sophia the First. So what I put inside is the cell phone, so it's lighting up super nicely. And then this is when you have it with light. When it's dark, it looks like this one. I really like it. Super cool. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.